Do you want to make $100 every day on YouTube? Then listen very closely. This is the exact method which is used by top internet gurus to make tons and tons of money online without spending too much time. I discovered this method purely by accident and by following certain channels. So what I found out was pretty shocking. This method is totally brand new, and many people do not know about this particular method. So you can easily capitalize on this method and earn significant amount of money online. So if you like this video, then you can visit my channel Agrawal Bros, where you can find different videos on how to make money online. You can find videos on how to make money from TikTok. You can find videos on how to make money by being an expert through Fiverr, by playing PUBG, etc. So you can visit my channel and browse through all the videos, and if you like these videos, then please subscribe. So let's head over straight to my method. In this method, I'm gonna be telling you 100% free strategy, so pay very close attention to whatever I say. So first of all, you need to head over to YouTube. Okay, so I am on my YouTube page. Now for this example, I am gonna be using spirituality niche. So if you are not familiar with spirituality niche, just follow along. There is a very popular person. There's very popular person called Abraham Hicks, and there's another one called Esther Hicks. So their sayings are pretty popular. So if you go over to YouTube and type in Abraham Hicks, you can see that this particular person has 110,000 monthly searches. So as you can see, this is very popular. And in case if you're wondering how can I get this volume and CPC and competition, for that you need to download a software called Keywords Everywhere. This is 100% free software, and you should download this software to properly analyze any particular niche. So go ahead and download Keywords Everywhere. Okay, so this is gonna tell you what's the volume, what's the CPC, and what's the competition. So for now you can see the volume is very high, so that's good. Okay, so now you can see you know different kinds of videos. Another extension that I would recommend is for this particular strategy is called vidIQ. vidIQ tells you the competition score and the search volume. So as you can see, many people are searching for this particular term, but competition is very less, so it is a good topic to create videos on. So now is the secret method to get free videos, to get free videos, free content that you can easily upload without any copyright strikes. So you need to head over to filter, you need to click on this, and then you need to click on Creative Commons. So if you are wondering that Creative Commons are outdated or something like that, just hold on, watch the video till the end. I'm gonna teach you everything. Okay, just be with me. So now these are all the Creative Commons videos. In case if you're wondering what is Creative Commons, Creative Commons is basically those videos which you can use, which you can reuse, which you can take and then you can re-upload on your site, on your YouTube channels. So there is a little bit of controversy with using Creative Commons videos, but there are ways to handle that. So now these are all the Creative Commons videos which can be reused. So for example, I click on this video, uh, Abraham Hicks, just expect something better, no ads by Eternal Joy. So when I click on this video, this opens up. You can see 607 views. There's this video, it's 15 minutes long. And vidIQ extension, which is another free extension, tells you the details about the channel and the details about this video. You should download this. It also tells you the tags. Okay, and now just scroll down and you will see something very, very interesting. So just look here, just pay very, very close attention to this. Esther Hicks is a medium for Abraham collective consciousness. Please support Abraham Hicks Foundation by purchasing full audio sessions at this site. And now pay attention. All Abraham Hicks audio materials are copyrighted by Esther Hicks, and we are sharing these following the use of copyrighted material guidelines. And this person has given link to copyright material guidelines. And then you can see the license, Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. So he is giving attribution to Esther Hicks, and he is using this video as a part of copyright material guidelines, and he's also giving a link to it, so you can do same thing. So we'll move I am gonna tell you how to do that later. Just follow on the method. So first important thing that should be considered is this. He is giving a site, https www.abrahamhicks.com. If you click on this, you will find this page, Abraham Hicks. This lady is Esther Hicks, and a person can go here and subscribe to this site. There are different plans. So, and he can also purchase CDs and MP3s at different costs. So this person is basically promoting this particular site. He may be earning commission from this particular site. Now I'm gonna tell you what you can do to earn insane commissions from this method. So first of all, the thing is that all these Creative Commons videos are absolutely 100% free. You just need to find keywords. You need to just find keywords that have pretty high volume and low competition score. You can do that by doing trial and error. Once you have determined your niche, be it any niche, this is just an example. I am giving spirituality niche as an example. You can go after weight loss niche. You can go after any niche, whatever suits you, and just do some keywords, keyword research there. And then you need to head over to this site called ClickBank, which is basically a digital product platform. So for this particular example, I'm gonna go to marketplace, and then I am gonna go to spirituality, new age, alternate beliefs, and then I am gonna go to, let's say for example, so I'm gonna go to this spirituality, new age, and alternate beliefs. Now I can sort it by popularity, or I can sort it by gravity. These are two popular choices. Take whatever feels nice to you. Say for example, you can choose this product, numerologist, or you can choose this product, 2019 April new manifestation magic mega hit. Just click over this, let it open. So this particular site opens up, how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. So you can just literally just copy this, and come over here, write a bit about Esther Hicks, and write something like, hey, do you want a way through which you can magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours? Something like this. Or maybe you can just try different products and see which one works for you, and write such kind of description, give your link there, and then write something like this, which will save you from copyright, and then you can upload the video, Creative Commons videos, to a YouTube channel. Now there are some things which you need to take care of. First of all, there's a lot of backlash going around regarding the Creative Commons videos. Many people say that they, you can get banned by using Creative Commons videos and things like that. To save yourself from that, you can, put an intro before your Creative Commons videos, and put an outro after Creative Commons video. And you just download a Creative Commons videos, use any software like Camtasia or Hitfilm Express, put your video there, create an intro can be just 5 or 6 seconds long, which you can create on you can create it on uh, PowerPoint, and then you can record that intro. You can just switch on the, you can create a presentation, and then you can uh, you know play the slideshow and record your slideshow, and then put that uh, intro in your video, in your before your Creative Commons video. And you can similarly make a PowerPoint presentation, record that, and put it as an outro. So you need to just play around with that, and then you need to write description something like this. Put your ClickBank affiliate product, that whichever you are promoting, here in the description. And then you need to write that this property belongs to whatever person you are, whomsoever person's video you are promoting. You should write that person's name, and you should write that you are using this as a part of copyright material guidelines, fair use. You're using because of, you are using the Creative Commons videos because it is because reuse is allowed for this particular video. So these steps will effectively help mitigate the risk of getting copyright strikes. And what I would advise is that you should create a new channel on a different email address to save yourself from to save your primary channel from any copyright strikes. Another thing that I would like to recommend is that you should use a VPN. There are many VPNs available. You can just go to Google and do quick searches. You will find many VPNs there, and then you can use that VPN, and then create a new channel. This will help you protect protect your main YouTube channel from any copyright strikes by YouTube on this this channel which you are creating for creating using Creative Commons videos. Just keep both the channels separate. Do not start uploading these kind of videos on your main YouTube channel. So this is a way through which you can, there is endless content. You just need to find a proper keyword and start uploading these kind of videos. Do remember to do some keyword research before uploading any videos, and also uh, also use tags of popular videos. This particular uh, vidIQ extension will help you see all the tags. You can see for this particular videos I can see all the tags. You can just literally copy these tags and upload it in your tags section. And for gaining maximum exposure, you can find popular videos, and you can just find popular videos and see what tags they are using. So you should do this method. This is very simple method, and anyone can easily earn good amount of money if they do this method properly, and if they optimize their YouTube videos. If you don't know how to optimize your YouTube videos, you can visit my channel. I have various videos explaining how to do optimization of your YouTube videos, and there are other methods also that I recommend of earning easy money online. So I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, then please smash the like button, also comment below, and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thank you so much.